A wig that turns head, not the regular. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, do well to hit the like button because this tutorial is about to be bomb. So I'm going to make use of a French coil. See the French coil, it's a 3-tone, and I am so happy because you know why? It's a YouTube client that ordered this unit. Yes, so I'm making use of a full lace. This is a full lace unit, blend full lace unit, and it's looking extra natural. So we're going to use our oil sheen on the bone straight extension. That's the bone straight extension, it's not a normal attachment. So we will make use of our oil sheen spray on the bone straight extension, and this is knotless I am doing. So I go ahead to start the knotless with the hair, like with the hair. Now you know how you start knotless braids, but the style that we are doing, the cutting that we are doing, that's where the magic is. That's where the beauty, the taste is. That's where the taste is of this hair. And I so much love this hair. I enjoyed working with the hair because I took my time, because this is my first time trying out a particular cutting which the client did not request. My client actually did not request a particular cutting. I just did this style for her and I was amazed. I was happy that she liked her hair. So this is a triangular. Yes, the love is going triangle love. That's what I got. Not the box, it's not the regular, it's an exceptional love. This is the unit now. Take a good look at this. So paper, clock that tea. Yeah. I love this unit and I enjoyed working on this unit. So can you see this? We have this in all colors though. We have this in all colors. Any color of bone straight extension that you want, we have it. Just DM me. Just one phone call. I am right there to answer you. Because yes, I am your Abuja favorite wig stylist, hair vendor. Okay, that's my mom that entered the video just now. So that's my mom. Yes, I work from home. I was braiding this hair all through the night. So I did this hair. I told you, like, I took my time while making this hair. I didn't rush the hair actually. So whenever I'm free in the night, I'll just continue braiding. While during the day, I just maybe do something else. You get? So this is the unit, and I so much love this unit. So you have watched to this point. Yes, I'm talking to you that's watching me now. You have not liked this video. You have not liked, what is it? You have not liked this video. Haba. What is it? You have not liked this video. Please do well to like, comment, share, send to party. Please do well to support me. Support this small girl that is trying. Support this girl that is trying to help her life. That is trying to build a life that she would be proud of. So this tutorial is just me showing you. Can see the way I am doing the hair. Like if I braid with a smaller if I start the braids with the hair, I'll add a small one, then I'm going to add another extension, then I braid down towards the ending of my full lace, then I add another extension, so it covers that end part. It doesn't have a thick up and a tiny end like that. It doesn't have a tiny body. I want the body to be okay, to be nice, just like you saw at the first clip, just the way it was looking. Yes, you enter your eye. Yes, definitely, because we don't do regular braids here. I braid and I make sure my customers get value for their money, and yes, premium service only, and I guarantee you that it's only premium service they will give here. So if you are watching this video and you want something like this for yourself, for your sister, for your wife, for your friend, like this, for anybody that you have in mind, anybody that you love so much, this unit is an everyday wear. It comes glowless and you can style it whichever way you want. Yes, 100% guarantee that you are going to enjoy this unit. Yes, people are going to ask you, want a unit that turns head? This unit is for you. You can see the cotton. I see how it's beautiful. So even if you flip your hair, you do a 360, you jump up and down, what people are going to see is the cutting of this hair. They're going to ask you, oh, I love this your hair, I love the cutting, it's so fine, where did you get it from? That is what people are going to see. So if you have not tried this cutting before, you have to try it out and let me see what you have created, because this is amazing. This is really beautiful. I love it, and you can see that it's giving already. The hair is giving already. It's giving everything, even from the back. We are not yet close to the front. Okay, see me now. This is, I'm coming to the front, getting to the front. Don't mind me, Sha. I was tying wrapper here. I cannot come and kill myself for nothing. Oh yeah. So I just continue doing the hair, and yeah. So one thing I'll tell you is that this bone straight extension is very, very slippery. Yes, it is very, very slippery. So if you are working with it, you need lots of Vaseline. You can see what I'm putting in the back of my hand is Vaseline. It's Vaseline, blue seal actually. Yes, it's blue seal Vaseline I use while making this hair, because it makes me be able, it makes, I don't know how I don't know how to explain it, but try using Vaseline, not edge control. I didn't use any edge control for this braid because it's a wig. I don't really use a normal person's hair. I'm not going to use edge control. I like using Vaseline and I enjoy it, and it works so well for me because it makes the extension shining. It makes the braids easy to go, like the braids, but you can see it makes the braid easy to go. This is it. This is the hair. The hair came out so fine. The hair came out so fine. And I took my time. I told you that I always take, I dey pamper hair. So this is what it looks like. We're about to trim it now, and then after trimming, this is what we have. This is so beautiful. Like, this hair is so beautiful. You need this hair in your collection now. So this is the hair. I know you can pack it every style, any way you want it, any design you want it, anyhow you want it. You can. This hair is at, you can turn it to an everyday hair. You can turn it to an everyday hair. Eh? You are watching this video to this point, subscribe, and like and share, and try it out, and let me know in the comment section what you have done. You all have learned something from this video, so do well to tell me what you have learned. Try it at home, practice, and I know you all will be perfect. I love you all, my queen. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.